I'm here with Walter Stalker, owner of Biz Accountants. Walter, why do you recommend that all businesses incorporate?
There are countless reasons why, but the most important ones are tax savings, personal liability, and asset protection. A small business owner can virtually eliminate personal income taxes through good tax planning.
It is my understanding that there are several different kinds of corporations. Which one do you recommend?
It depends to a large degree on the circumstances of each client. If your primary purpose is for real estate investment and the client can use a loss on his personal tax return due to depreciation, then an LLC might be the best option. If, however, the LLC generates a large income that you do not want to add to your personal tax liability, then a C corporation will be the best choice. For most business owners, a C corporation is the best choice. The best tax savings are given to C corporations like General Electric or Ford, which can lobby for the lowest tax rate and most tax deductions. As a small business owner, you get the same tax deductions and can live the corporate lifestyle that only the wealthy enjoy. Some of the expenses like travel, entertainment, and insurance are all tax-deductible business expenses, whereas if you operate as a sole proprietorship, the expenses are routinely audited and disallowed.
Subchapter S corporations used to be so popular. What happened?
Subchapter S corporations used to be the favorite of many small businesses, but due to the high audit rate and the disallowance of the deductions for Social Security and Medicare, taxes are no longer appropriate for most small businesses.
What are the disadvantages of operating as a sole proprietorship?
For most small business owners, the tax rate is higher than that of a C corporation, and the tax deductions are limited if you operate as a sole proprietorship. In addition, a lawsuit would not only destroy your business, but all the assets that you have, including your home, your cars, and anything else that you or your family might own.
Now, why do you recommend a Nevada corporation?
Nevada has no corporate income tax and no other hidden taxes, like franchise tax, capital gains tax, or many of the other taxes that other corporations have to pay. In California, the rate is much higher, and there is no reporting and no disclosure requirements that stockholders have to comply, and stockholders are off the public records. There's no state income tax, you have no unitary tax or franchise tax, and the corporate veil has never been pierced, with the exception of 2 cases in which fraud was involved. There is charging order protection for the stockholders of closely held corporations. Charging orders protect the stockholders of corporations against shareholders from other judgments. Nevada is the only state that offers this protection, and interestingly enough, one person can hold the offices of President, Secretary, and Treasurer, and Director, and there are no capital requirements.
Is there any need to come to Nevada?
Anyone in the U.S. can incorporate their business any place in states they choose, and by incorporating in Nevada, they will be governed by the laws of Nevada.
Is it possible to build business credit separate from your personal credit?
Yes, a corporation can apply for separate credit that is not limited to the personal credit.
Whom do we call for additional service?
You can call Biz Accountants at 702-480-4341, or you can email us at bizaccountants@yahoo.com. Our website is www.bizaccountants.com. You can receive free incorporating services at www.freenevadaincorporatingservice.com.